Okay, I'm going to give it a go. Um, I am going to show you what I found out replacing the HEPA filter on my um, Hoover, otherwise known as a vacuum cleaner, and specifically a Miele C3 dog and cat hair fancy Hoover. So I was looking at replacing the HEPA filter. I haven't replaced it since I bought it, and the HEPA filters from Miele cost something like £38 per filter. And then I got a cheaper one on Amazon, which was something like £15, £16. And I opened up the filter today and looked at it, and this is what I got. You can possibly see through that filter. It's basically a kind of paper inside, and that's the light coming through it. So the original HEPA filter from Miele is filthy, but it is a very different thing. So this filter is now completely covered in dirt, but you can hear inside it what I was expecting to find in the replacement filter, which is some sort of little carbon beads that actually filter out viruses and whatever else HEPA filters do. Basically, it's about filtering out microparticles in the air when you're hoovering. So this is the replacement non-Miele filter, and again, very light, no beads in it, and actually see-through as well. The Miele one. So let's find out what makes that noise inside the Miele one that is not in that one, the cheaper version that fits the Hoover all right, but not quite the same thing. The Miele Hoover as well has that sticker on it, which when you press it is meant to tell you whether it's time to replace the Hoover filter. The filter is meant to be replaced after 50 hours. I haven't replaced it in a year or two, and I do a lot more hoovering than 50 hours per year. So let's see if we can open this up. There's no easy opening thing. They're not expecting you to open it. So I'm going to have to see what I could do. I'm going to put down some cardboard so that I don't destroy anything. And I'll have a go with some screwdrivers maybe first. So I'll try this to prise off the filter around the thing, so I can get inside. It's actually quite difficult to get the plastic off. I'm ripping it up there, but I'm not actually able to get it off yet. Try the other side. As a kid, I used to love ripping stuff open and seeing what's inside, but it's been a while since I've done this. So I've got a bit of the rubber edging ripped off, but still not able to get inside. This is where somebody gets badly hurt and we get a viral video, but I'm hoping not to do that. I really can't force the screwdriver head inside that. So I might try going in this way. Well, that burst easily enough. So I can burst the hexagonal part of the filter, make a hole or two. And let's see if we can get some beads out this way. So they're actually little bits of charcoal, as you would expect in a HEPA filter. So those are the bit that actually filters viruses. You get them in water filters as well. And these ones, I don't know why they work, but I suspect they do. And I suspect it's more expensive to make them with that. So I don't want to rip this one open, but you can see this has nothing like those filters inside. The black bits there are just dirt coming off the Miele filter, I think. So I think there's a reason the Miele filter is more expensive than the cheaper versions of the same filter. It does fit in the vacuum cleaner. There's no problems with that. Probably sucks just as hard or harder because there's no resistance. So I'm not saying you shouldn't get the cheaper version. It might be all you need, really. But I don't think it has the same filtering qualities as the HEPA filter if you are trying to reduce the number of particles in the air from dog or cat hairs or other stuff like that. Okay, hope that was of interest. If it is, like and subscribe, as they say. I haven't made any other videos like this, but I did feel that was worth the video. And if you thought it was interesting, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.